Wow, look everyone. Wow, there are so many toys covered in mud. Wow, really muddy. All right, everyone, let's gather them all up. Oh, I've already prepared a place to put them. Okay, let's take this one first. Hey, what kind of vehicle is this? Wow, it's really dirty. Haha, so cool. This must be a very nice vehicle. Let's gather it up, guys. Wow, awesome. This must be a horse. Wow, this one has wings. It looks like an airplane. Wow, and here must be a lion. This vehicle looks like a jet plane. And here's probably a helicopter. Wow, this is a tank. So cool. And what's this with a really long nose? Wow, another helicopter. I wonder what that big thing is. Another one here. A motorcycle. Look, everyone, I've gathered all the toys. Now let's go clean them together. So cool, this is a helicopter. Oh wow, so dirty. It's a jet airplane. Oh, look everyone, here's a tank. Oh, look. This one with the long nose is an elephant. What kind of vehicle is this? Wow, it's a Jeep. What animal is this? Wow, it's a lion. Oh, look, is this one a horse? Oh, here's another helicopter. Oh, look, everyone, here's a tiger. Oh, what's this? Another jet airplane. Oh, look, this is a panda. And finally, here's this blue motorcycle. All right, everyone, look. All the muddy toys have been cleaned up. Goodbye for now.